Hey, what's up, my good people? Welcome, guys, to Tech Explorers. And today we'll be having a look on how you can, let's say, for example, you are trying to install an application and you get a notification that is from Windows 10 that you cannot be able to install that application because it contains virus. And in real sense, probably that application you got it from a trusted source, but you are not able to install that program. Or let's say, for example, you are a developer and you are trying to install to test some of the programs that you have already created, and you are not able to install those programs on your PC. So how can you be able to do that? It's actually very simple. All you need to do is follow these steps. So the first thing that we're gonna do is turn on developer mode in Windows 10. Once you turn on developer mode in Windows 10, you'll be able to install any program from any source. Then there is another second step that will carry on so that you can be able to install those programs safely without being uninstalled or being deleted. That is by Windows 10 Defender. So how do you go about it? Let's get down to the serious business. So all you need to do is click this icon that is Windows 10, that is Windows icon. Then go to settings, and settings we need to go to that is update and secure, that is update and security. Okay, now here update and security settings, there you can be able to enable different options. For example, we start with that is for developers. So you just need to click for developers, and here we'll be able to enable developer mode in Windows 11. The moment you enable that is developer mode in Windows 11, you can be able to install programs from any source. For example, you can see when I toggled that button, you can see this notification that is popping out on my screen. It says turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside Microsoft App Store, could expose your device or personal data to security risk or harm your device. So actually this is now a disclaimer. So the moment you just turn on that is development in Windows 10, you are able to install programs or softwares outside Microsoft App Store, and it could that is expose that is your PC to a risk because you may lose data in case those programs you are trying to install are harmful. So you just need to click this button, yes, because of course we know the programs that we want to install, they are from trusted sources. Then something else that you need to know, the moment you just click that, but you just turn on development, it doesn't mean that you can be able to install all programs. There are certain programs that you'll not be able to install because that is the Windows Defender is actually active. So some programs that you might try to install on your PC might be identified as malicious and they may get deleted, that is by Windows 10 Defender. So to prevent those programs from being deleted by Windows 10 Defender, so all you need to do is go to Windows Security. Then under Windows Security, you can see Virus and Threat Protection. Then you need to scroll down. You scroll down, you can see here we have what you call manage threats. So you just need to click here. Then under real threats, you can see we have real-time protection, locate and stop malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn off this setting for a short time before it turns back on automatically. So the moment you just turn off these settings, you just need to turn it off when you are just about to install that program, because after some time this option will actually turn itself back on. So you just need to click here, then you can proceed to installing that software. So you have been able to turn off real-time protection. Let's say, for example, you are trying to decrypt something, you are trying to decrypt something before you install. So now you can be able to decrypt without getting this kind of notification from Windows 10. Something else that you can disable is prevent this one, the tamper protection, which prevents others from tampering with important security features. So you just need to turn it off. Then from there you can be able to proceed and install any program from any source, because there are sometimes you try to install programs from different sources and you can't be able because Windows Defender is actually blocking you. So you just need to turn off those two, the real-time protection and also the tamper protection. Then you also need to enable the Windows 10 that is Windows 10 development. Then from there you can be able to install any program from any source. Then once you are done installing those programs, you just need to go to that is Windows Security. and turn these options back on. But you can, for the development, you can just leave it, because actually you have not, if you are not done, or you think like in future you might be installing some other programs from different sources, so you can just leave it. But for the security, this one you can just this one you just need to you need to turn it back on, because it is not safe when you don't have a virus and read protection. So you need to have that is Windows Defender actually scanning your PC every time, so that you don't experience problems, or you don't have what you call the data losses, which may come from that is well, for example, you are trying to connect that is a USB drive, and the USB drive is infected. So in case you connect any device to your PC and it is infected, actually the Windows Defender will actually protect your PC from those harmful threats that may lead to data loss, or even it may crash even your PC. So that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.